Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to enable double opt in on your Wix forms, which means site visitors would need to verify their emails first before they can subscribe and be added to your list. This helps you make sure that your emails reach the right contacts. So, here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to your form and then click on it. Then click on Edit Form. In order to enable the double opt-in option, you need to add the subscribe field first. You can find it here on the left on the Add button under the Contacts category. So once you've successfully added this field, click on it and click on Settings. And here on the right panel, make sure to enable double opt-in by toggling this button on. Then click on Save. You can now close this window and click on Save to save the changes on your site. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again in order for the changes to take effect on your live site as well. Now, every time a site visitor subscribes, they'll be asked to verify their email first. Once verified, they'll then be added to your contact list. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.